This man found a way to stop rubbish from going to the oceans of Bali. First, I'm gonna show you his new glass grinder. Then, I'll show you what he does to stop the rubbish from going to the ocean. So stay tuned till the end.
Looks once you shred it. So you can re-shred it again to make it smaller,
Smoother.
and then it can become, it becomes like pure sand.
Yeah.
The only thing with glass is that it's super. There's like dust, so that's why you have to wear a mask and goggles.
I see.
Pretty cool.
Wow.
And then from this,
like sugar.
Yeah, from this you can like re-shred it again. So, but we can shred anything from like anything made from glass, right? So like if you have a broken glass, instead of it going to like being thrown away in a landfill, we can actually shred it and turn it back into. So this like mixed with a little bit of cement is amazing to make floors, like terrazzo.
Yeah. You can make into marbling too, can't you?
Yeah, exactly. So this is a brick made from recycled glass and plastic, 100% from the rivers of Bali. So you can see some of the glass directly on the brick, and this has been finely shredded, and instead of using sand, we're using shredded glass.
So guys, this is a brick made of recycled glass from Bali rivers. Looks like one fancy brick, huh? So right now I'm at Sungai Watch. This is one of their bricks made out of recycled glass. As you can see, it looks really cool. Kind of like marbling. Yeah, it's lighter than a typical brick. Feels firm, like no flex. And the sides don't just chip off like typical brick.
Be able to really test. Right now we're really just in exploration phase and trying to test with our first few machines what can we make out of this trash. So from a bottle like this, it has no collection value. This is Krating Dang, one of the most used drinks in Indonesia. But Krating Dang doesn't have a collection scheme for their bottles, so the best thing that we can do is fully crush them. So it turns into crushed glass like this, and then this can be refined, shredded again. So it's almost like sand, very light. And then from here, we can mix this with different types of plastics to make bricks. So we're just in the starting phase, trying to figure it out. Let's see what can come out of this. So this is 1 month worth of plastic bottles from the river of Sungai Watch. So it's a lot of bottles. So just the idea of it, you can have it like a wall.
Looks really pretty.
When it's actually cleaned, it looks pretty nice.
This is good for like outdoor walls.
Outdoor walls. Here we just use it as a wall so that we're on the second floor of our research station, and this is actually where I hold meetings, but also where we do a lot of data work. So ground auditing with a scanner. So right now we are really just setting up. All of this is quite new. All of this here is our organic waste from the river. So we have things like tree branches, a lot of bamboo, but also some banana stems. So all of this will be shredded and then composted here in our garden. So step by step.
Right now I'm at one of the locations where Gary is adding one of the barriers. So I'm gonna cross the road here, and as you can see, they're adding it right now. So right now they are just gonna quickly anchor the thing over there. They're gonna anchor it so that it doesn't drift away. Same goes with this side. The current's really strong, so it's like pulling the thing really hard. The guy's struggling to hold it. After the barrier is finished attached, they're gonna pray, and that's about it. Now I'm with Sungai Watch to go to Jimbaran for the emergency cleanup. Okay, so we finally made it. I'm gonna quickly switch to the bigger camera. Okay, isn't that better? Okay. Dude, the traffic was so bad on the way here. Like, it's one of the worst traffics I've probably experienced in Bali in like the past 2 years because of Corona and shit. So, alright. You're so wet, bro.
Yeah.
What did you do? Take a bath?
I know very well.
Ini tuh salah satu sungai yang paling tercemar yang saya tahu. Ini
Wow.
salah satunya.
Ini dari desanya atau dari suatu kota? Lumayan ya. Look at the river, it's so dry. Oh my god. Maybe you're gonna add barrier here? No? So far. Soon, yeah? You still have a lot of schedule to do. So basically I was really late to the party. I was late to do the thing because of the traffic, so I couldn't really, these kids are just going past me. We were pretty late to the cleanup since the traffic, and we had to grab the pizza, and it was in Canggu, and then Canggu shortcut was closed, so we had to go around towards Dalong. But I'll show you some footage right now of how was the cleanup.
Gila ya. Di Banten dekat dengan restoran.
By the looks of it, they did really good, but it's a really dirty river, man. It's one heck of a dirty river. Would you look at this? It's so fucked up. I don't know why they're throwing shit. I don't know why they're throwing all the rubbish here, but this river is one of the most polluted rivers that goes to the ocean in Bali. Yeah, this is one of them. And yeah, you can see it's really murky and it's not a good show. Look at the amount of stuff of plastic, glass, styrofoam. This is all the organics that they collected. A bunch of bamboos. Mostly just bamboos and tree branches, basically. I don't know why they're throwing bamboo. Bamboo is actually pretty valuable.
See you next time.
Yeah, careful, man. Dah, selesai. Sukses.
Beres.
Sungai Watch. So now we're gonna head back to Sungai Watch research station. So sorry. To quickly put all this stuff back. Get it recycled. They're gonna shred it, clean it, and do all those sige.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you go check out Gary and Sungai Watch. Support them. You can go donate them, or if you do live in Bali, go check them out and join their cleanups. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Peace.
This is the new mascot. We should go there next, guys. Abandoned plane. Good title.